Hello guys, so welcome back to another video. Today we're making a tutorial about Enotria The Last Song, guys. And in this video I'm going to share with you how I got actually a copy of the game for free for my PC5, guys. So if you want to learn how to do this in your device, it works for all platform, guys. Make sure you watch this video until the end, guys. I'm going to share with you that how I actually did it for myself, so you can learn it how to do it also you on your own, okay? So I'm just going to turn the camera on the other side and explain all the steps I did for myself so you can learn how to do it. So let's start this tutorial immediately right now, guys. So as you can see, guys, here in front of you I have my iPhone. I suggest also you to grab your smartphone because you're gonna need it in order to get a copy of the game. It doesn't matter the device you are using. It can be iOS, it can be Android. I'm just using my iPhone because this is what I use. If you have Android device, it's totally fine. The steps are going to be the same, okay? So practically, guys, what we're going to do, we're going to get a game code which you can redeem after the copy of the game on any platform that you play. Me, I got it by SMS. My game code I'm going to share with you right now, and it looks like this. If you're going to decide also you'll get it by text, it says congratulations, the task has been completed successfully. This is the game code. It's your code for Enotria The Last Song game for Wiz coupon. So basically I went to this site, guys, which I'm going to continue the rest of the steps as well. So you have a lot of other things inside. You can check later if you're interested for something else. I'm just gonna type the name of the game here in the searching bar, so not to make the video too long. Here it is. And then here in the next page, as you can see, you have different platforms, guys, PC5, Xbox, PC, and so on. So for the whole platforms, guys, the steps are the same. So so you just need to choose which platform you are playing. All right. So I'm gonna continue with PC5 because this is what I did, but you can do it for any platform that you play the same. So then unlock the code, guys. You just need to wait a couple of seconds. So the whole circle to get completed 100%. And then it's going to redirect you to the next page when it's required to complete little task in order to unlock the code. So you just need to read the instructions, guys. It's very simple to do it. I'm going to explain to you right now. It says here, download the complete 2 apps below to unlock Enotria The Last Song game code. After complete the task, enter your phone number or email about to receive the code, okay? So basically, as you saw with me, I got by SMS because I put my phone number. You can put your email if you want. This is on your own choice, guys. But before you do that, down below, you're going to have this list of the apps which you need to choose 2 of these 2 apps to complete it as a task in order to receive the code. So basically you just need to choose 2 of these ones, try to find which is the easiest one, guys, so you don't have to lose too much time. And important is that everything is for free, so you don't have to pay anything, guys. And all the apps and games are from App Store and Play Store, so you don't have to do anything outside the official stores. So everything is from official stores, guys, okay? So once you're going to choose which one you want to do it, guys, and the next step is going to be like this. So me, I did, for example, Slot Cash, and I did Coin Master. I choose these 2 apps because I didn't have it before on my device. So make sure the apps you're going to choose it, guys, you didn't have it downloaded before on your device. For example, if you have TikTok already on your device, then you should not do TikTok, do another app, so the process doesn't fail, okay? So I did Slot Cash, so practically I press on it, and Slot Cache is going to show you the instruction again what you have to do. So it says here to go to App Store or Play Store, depends on the device you're using, and search Money Games in the searching bar and find Slot Cache. Just download the app and open it. So very simple task. It took me like 1 minute to complete the whole thing, guys. As you can see, it's going to redirect it to my App Store because I use iPhone. If you have Android, it's going to take you to Play Store, and the task was to write in the searching bar Money Games and then to find Slot Cache, which is the rank number 3 here. And as you can see, to me it shows sign open because I've done it before. So I just download it and I open it. So this was required for the app, so just to download and to open the app. So I just keep it 30 seconds and then it was considered done. And then as you can see here, and then the second one I did Coin Master. So if you go back, here we have Coin Master. Coin Master was required to download the game and play the village number 3. So it will redirect me again to App Store, and as you can see, Coin Master is open to me because I've done before, so I downloaded and then I started to play the game. In fact, I was playing even a little bit longer, so just to show you guys that I did the village number 3. 1 second. Okay, so I went into the village number 20. It wasn't so difficult to do it. Very easy, in fact. So after completing both of these 2 apps, I just came here, I put my phone number. You can put your email if you want, and then I just submit it, and a couple of minutes after they verified I did everything correctly, they just send me the text as I showed you guys in the beginning. Okay, so this is it, guys. I hope it was helpful and useful. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to press the like button. See you in the next videos. Cheers.